Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Killstreaks strategically in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, use precision airstrikes to clear out enemy squad for a distance. Drop cluster strikes to block off strategic areas, forcing enemies to relocate. Target enemy vehicles with missile strikes to eliminate threats quickly. Utilize UAVs to reveal enemy positions for your team. Use sentry guns to guard objectives and prevent enemy captures. Deploy reconnaissance drones to scout ahead and plan your next move. Flush out campers with napalm strike or gas grenades. Clear diversion with smoke screens to cover your team's retreat. Drop mortar strikes in high traffic areas to disrupt enemy movements. Use precision bombings to clear out buildings before entering. Coordinate an ambush by timing your kill streak with your team's assault. Deploy gas grenades to control crowds and force enemy into the open. Mark enemy positions for snipers with recon drones or spotter scopes. Use counter UAVs to disrupt enemy reconnaissance efforts. Use shield turrets to cover your team while looting high-value areas. Draw enemy attention with decoy grenades while you flank from the side. Use miniguns to provide suppressing fire while your team advances. Call in emergency airdrops for quick resupplies during intense firefights. Position sentry guns on rooftops to control the battlefield below. Jam enemy radar with EMP drones to disrupt their coordination. Use flare guns to signal for backup or mark extraction points. Utilize spy planes to gather intel on enemy movements and positions. And that's how to use Killstreaks strategically in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.